Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a black screen with text on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have a black screen, but it's not really black because we don't have a black video right here on our timeline. So to add a black video, it's very simple. All you have to do is go into Project Panel right here. So make sure you have your Project Panel and click on this new item button right there and click on Black Video and hit OK. And the default settings of this would be the same one as your settings or your sequence settings right here. So you don't have to worry about it. And just like that. Now we have a black video when we render it, just like this one right here. So by the way, if you can see the new item button, it just means that you just have to expand your project panel just like this one right here so that you can see this right here. And now that we have our black video, all we have to do is put some text. So press the T button on your keyboard just like that and press on your screen right here or on your work video right there and type the word that you want. So let's say that this is black screen, just like that. This is just an example, and from this you can edit your text by going here into Essential Graphics. So by the way, if you don't have Essential Graphics, you need to check it here under Windows, click on Windows and click on Essential Graphics right here. And then you can edit it right here. And yes, you can also edit this under Effect Controls right here. When you go into Effect Controls, make sure you select your text and then you can expand the text right here. And you can edit it right here, but editing it in Essential Graphics is so much better. And I will show you why. So select your text and click on this text right here so that you can start editing it, because you can align it just like this one. When you want it to be on the center, you can go and press it just like this one, or if you want it to the bottom, just like that. So you can make sure that you have your precise position right here, and you can edit it more freely right here. And you can change the text font if you want to, the size, and then the color if you want it, just like that. And then you can reposition it again, so make sure it's in the middle, just like that. So yeah, that is basically how you can add a text in a black screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.